Want to make ultra-realistic AI videos without paying anything? There's a new tool that works like VO3, but it's free, open source, and works in many languages. It's called Huion Video Avatar. It can animate a face.
I smile, I laugh, I say, I'm fine, but inside, it hurts. More than I know how to explain.
Voice, emotions, even full body gestures, just from audio and a picture.
我們很少談論寧靜的時刻，那些無人注視的時刻，當你靜坐沉思，沒有干擾。
You can use it online or install it on your PC. How to use it online? 1. Sign up on their site. Use Google Translate if needed. 2. You can either type your script or upload your own voice. 3. Upload a face image. 4. Hit generate and watch the AI turn it into a lifelike video. Make sure your image size is exactly 1280 by 704 or 700 by 1280. Audio should be under 14 seconds. The results? Very natural lips,
你知
expressions,
道
hand
嗎？
gestures.
我們很少談論寧靜的時刻，那些無人注視的時刻，當你靜坐沉思，沒有干擾，沒有噪音。
Even with emotional or multilingual voiceovers. You can even use it for side profiles or animal animations.
You know, sometimes we get so caught up in life's noise that we forget the simple.
Use a free watermark remover, link in description. Just brush over the watermark and export your clean video. Finally, if you want to earn from this, platforms like AITube let you upload and monetize these videos. So try it out, and if this helped you, like and subscribe for more free AI tools.